Hi there, it's Diane and Easton again. So, we are taking advantage of the really nice day, and since we know there should be some rain coming again soon, we are going to make a water gauge. So, we are going to reuse and recycle some things that we have in our house to make the water gauge. That is something you at home can do too. You can take a empty water bottle, doesn't matter the size. We are going to take a smaller version. You can use a 2-liter bottle if that is what you have. We have tape. We have a measuring tape, but you can also use what, Easton, a ruler?
A ruler you could.
All right, and then we have
Scissors.
And a Sharpie. Now for scissors, just make sure that you are using an adult partner. Now for the bottle, what we're going to do is at about this far down, right as the bottle of the neck starts to widen, we are going to safely cut all the way around. Once you have done that, you're going to take them apart and you are going to place it right in there. Easton, you want to help me push it down? We're going to carefully do it. All right. And get that. And now we are going to take our bright piece of tape. We use bright tape just in case for some reason our water gauge falls over and starts to blow. If we come outside to check on it, we are able to find it. That way we are not littering and it just blows away too far. Now we have our orange tape. Easton, can you hold that side for me? I'm going to start to make it cut in half. I'm going to see if I can just rip it in half. Will you hold that piece for me, Easton? So what you want to do is kind of take it around the top there. Easton, you want to start tucking in the sides with me? And this is where you guys can work together as a team. That is right. And it doesn't have to be beautiful. I'm going to take the other piece and start it right here. You just want to make sure that little top part is sealed. And so we just squish it around. Keep making it go. All right, does it look like it is all sealed? Ready to go?
We can do a little.
You think that's good? Yep. All right, so now we've got it where it's upside down. And that's going to be our water gauge. Now, two different ways you can do this. You can either write the lines out for your measurements on your bottle now, or when you go out to see after it rains next, you go out to look, you can measure it then. We are going to go ahead and put lines on it now. Easton, would you like to do inches or centimeters?
Inches.
Inches? All right. So, I am going to hold it for him, and he is going to mark down the inches. All right, so just make a line. All right, go ahead and go to the next one. And then do one more. Perfect. Now you can go ahead and write the numbers on there. Now, one thing you want to remember about the rain gauge is that you don't want to put it somewhere where there's a bunch of trees around. You don't want to put it underneath the deck if you have one, or underneath the gutter. You want to make sure that it's out in the open where it can catch the rain easily. And there we go. There we have it. Super something small and easy that you can do at home, and you can see how much rain falls from the sky next. Have a good day. Hi there. So the other day it did rain for us. So we were able to get some rain in our rain gauge. We just don't know how much yet. So what we did was we put it somewhere in some rocks to keep it from what, Easton? From blowing away?
From blowing away and also making it so it would stay where it is for a very long time.
And then we didn't put it under our deck. And we didn't put it where there'd be a gutter because we didn't want what?
The rain to stop and not get into the rain gauge, and the gutter makes it so the rain goes inside this weird looking white tube.
Right, so instead of the rain going into the rain gauge, it would go somewhere else, right? So now we're going to uncover our rain gauge carefully, moving these rocks aside. So we did this so it wouldn't blow away. And we have we used orange tape in case it did blow away with all this wind we have been having. That way, if it blew away, we'd be able to find it, right? That way, we don't want to litter. Right?
Yep.
We want to protect our environment. All right, so wow, look at how much we have in here. Look at that. All right, now we made our lines on this side. All right, Easton, I'm gonna hold it still, and I'm gonna hold this if you want to help me count. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna lift this up. Let's see here. Make it as level as we can. And we had done inches before, right?
Yep.
And we have the lines, but we can still use our measuring tool. And what kind of tool are we using today, Easton?
Measuring tape.
That's all right. All right, so I'm going to make it as level as I can. And does that make... How much does that make?
About...
Whoops! All right, let's just use our lines. So, there's the...
I'm guessing about 2.5 inches.
Or let's get our measuring tool out. So there's the 1 inch and the 2 inches right there, but it's right in the middle of the 1 and the 2. So do you remember what it is if it's not all the way to the 2, but it's right in the middle? Do you remember what that was?
1.5
inches. So according to our rain gauge, we got 1.5 inches of rain the other day. So that is how you can recycle a bottle from home and reuse it as a rain gauge, and use a measuring tape at home and things around your house to make a rain gauge. Have fun, guys.
Bye.